This is Stephen Vegas with LiveInsuranceNews.com bringing you the major headlines from this week in insurance news. Usage-based insurance pilot program being tested on motorcycles. SGI has announced its proposal to begin a program that will apply usage-based insurance technology to policies that cover motorcycles. Installation of a small device into a vehicle will allow SGI to track driving behavior and ultimately determine the cost of coverage for a particular driver. Such programs are relatively new in the auto insurance sector, but have managed to acquire some popularity among consumers. Insurance industry could be massively impacted by large space weather event. A new report from Lloyd's of London suggests that the North American insurance industry could be affected by severe space weather. The report claims that more than 40 million Americans are at risk of extended power outages that could be caused by solar storms. These storms may also lead to significant interruptions in business. According to the report, the effects of such severe space weather could leave some sectors of industry crippled for years before recovery can be possible. California health insurance premiums are set to spike under the Affordable Care Act. According to data from Covered California, the Affordable Care Act is expected to lead to a major increase in health insurance policies in the individual market. One of the factors contributing to higher rates may be the fact that healthy consumers have no incentive to continue paying for health insurance coverage. Insurers continue to warn of the impending rate shock that will be sparked by the Affordable Care Act. Tornado insurance claims have already surpassed $250 million in Oklahoma. Claims from the tornado disaster that struck Oklahoma in May have already surpassed the $250 million mark. More than 32,000 claims have been generated by the disaster, covering property damage as well as damage done to vehicles. State officials expect that the total losses from the disaster could reach $2 billion. Auto insurance fraud may be put to rest by driverless vehicles. U.S. safety regulators are beginning to call for the accelerated adoption of driverless vehicles in order to combat fraud. These vehicles could remove the human element from driving, effectively mitigating risk associated with human error. Driverless vehicles may be able to put an end to auto insurance fraud if they can see mass adoption throughout the country. That's it for this week's news roundup. Be sure to visit LiveInsuranceNews.com for active coverage of the issues that matter to you.